Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this new video, I'll be showing you 3 different Christmas DIYs that I did using Dollar Tree items. I hope you guys enjoy and let's get started. Once I added the little circle stickers, I just went ahead and went over it with some ivory spray paint. That way, once I remove the stickers, it can kind of look like a polka dotted sign. I also went ahead and spray painted the H sign with some regular 97-cent spray paint from Walmart. this last DIY, I went ahead and painted the back of the ornament with some black chalk paint as well. And once it was done drying, to add a little more of a detail, I went ahead and added some white lines. How I did my white lines, usually I used a ruler, but since I couldn't find mine, I went ahead and just used a hard book cover and added the white chalk paint on the edge of it, so that way it avoids me from messing up and starting all over again. And I'll be using the Jingle All the Way from the red sign that I used in the first DIY, since I just didn't want to get rid of it and have no use of it. I thought this would have been perfect. Okay guys, so this is the finishing look. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. It would mean so much to me, and that way you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Other than that, I hope y'all have a great day and God bless.